Cosine is 1/2. Sine is radical 3 over 2. Okay. Now, again, we're just going up. This is our origin. We're not going left or right at all, so it's 0, 1. Cosine of 90 is 0. Sine of 90 is 1. Okay. 120. Now, what was our rule for quadrant 2? Subtract 180. What's 180 minus 120? It's 60. So we're just going to put this point right here. It's the same point again. There's just a bunch of repetition here, guys. Right. But again, we're in quadrant 2. What's negative in quadrant 2? Your x value, your cosine. So we're going to make the first one. We're just going to honestly repeat down everything we have. This is the same as 45. This is the same as 30. But again, don't forget, you're going left. So x values are negative. My cosines are negative. 180, how do you plot 180? So we're going left 1, so negative 1, up 0. Okay, oopsies. It would be helpful if you could see what I was doing. Okay? And then again, it's literally just a pattern. What's 210 the same as? It's the same as 30. It's the same as this one. So 30 degrees is your radical 3 over 2, 1/2. What are the signs in quadrant 3, though? Make everything negative. 225 is your radical 2 over 2. It's 45. Radical 2 over 2. Again, make everything negative. 240 is the same as 60. Cosine of 60 is 1/2. Sine of 60 is radical 3 over 2. Everything is negative in this quadrant. Negative, negative. Okay. 270. Again, remember this is 0, 0. I'm going left or right, nothing. And I'm going down 1. Right? So these I hadn't gone over. Cosine of 270 is 0. Sine of 270 is negative 1. Right? All right, last quadrant. What's our rule for quadrant 4? 360. 360 minus 300 is 60. So cosine of 60 is 1/2. Sine is radical 3 over 2. What's negative in this one, though? The y values. We're going over and down. So the y values are negative. 315 is your 45. Again, you're going over and down. Negative, negative. 330 is the same as 30. So it's radical 3 over 2, 1/2, over and down, and it's negative. Right? And that's your unit circle. You will be required to memorize this. Now, there are teachers, instead of giving you the thetas and all students take calculus, they just have you memorize it. So when they say, what's sine of 135? You actually think about the unit circle. Sine of 135 is radical 2 over 2. And you can do this if this is helpful for you. But you got to keep track of your unit circle and have it memorized. Right? Cosine of 240. 240 is here. The cosine's x, negative 1/2. Right? Cosine of 240 is negative 1/2 because it's the x value. Right? So that is a method. All right, now practice. Memorization, guys. Have a good day.